In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to get Kuda ATM card without any issue. So all you need to do to get a Kuda ATM card, so just log into your Kuda banking app on your mobile phone, whether you're using an Android or an iPhone. So the next thing you're gonna do is just click on cards down below. So once you click on cards, it's gonna take you straight down to this page. So you can see I already have a card right there. If you don't have a card, if you are just getting started, all you're gonna see is to request for a card. So once you see a request for a card, so just click on that, and then I think they are charging maybe 1,000 or 2,000 naira to get a card, and it's gonna take within a week before you have the card delivered to you. And there is another option if you don't want to be using the card a for money withdrawal within the nearest ATM card. You can actually request for virtual card on Kuda, and with this virtual card you can use it for many things: buying online, shopping online, and paying for transaction and other stuffs. But then if you just want a physical card, you can just apply for that, and they're gonna charge you that money, and then it's gonna take up to a week before you can be able to get the card delivered to you within the period time.